Inside the courtroom.
First name Santiago, Erdenita
Santiago.
Villegas. Gentlemen. Attorney Josh Shep, on behalf of my client Santiago Erdenita Villegas. How did I do? Okay. And I have the assistance today of our interpreter, Your Honor.
Good. What's your name?
I'm Cruz.
Cruz? Right hand? I'm assuming Spanish is a language?
Yes.
All right. Do you swear or affirm that you will accurately translate between Spanish and English and Spanish so we can all discuss these matters? All right. Let him know what we talked about.
Correct, Your Honor. We have Matt Bradley on the right. He's been a phenomenal interpreter thus far, so I think we'll have no issues.
Okay. All right. Tell me about the deal.
We have an A, B, C, and a D case. On the A case, we're going to be pleading guilty to a reduced charge of no operator's license on person, the driving license. As part of that deal, we would also plead responsible as charged on the B,
Yep.
and the civil infraction, like C and D, will both be dismissed.
Okay.
That's the extent of the plea deal, Your Honor.
Did you gentlemen discuss rights and options?
It's when we go, he wants to, do you understand the rights to talk, it's not a trial, he's sort of giving up his rights. The defense side, they want to hear that we went over these rights and he understands he's not gonna have a trial if he takes the plea off. Okay. Additionally, anytime if you would plead guilty or if you found guilty, it could have immigration consequences. That's why I was not sure. So are you understanding all the rights that we got? I think we're just confused that we're going over them again. So I guess we just, if you understand you're giving up your right to trial, you is taking the plea with life.
Yes.
See?
Yeah, see. And Your Honor, the additional sidebar, my client's gonna be returning to his home country shortly, very shortly, like within days to a week. They're gonna
Okay.
return flight, so I think that was our only other concerns.
Okay. Do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of no valid operator's license on person?
Yes. You swear about that.
Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yeah.
Yes.
Did you drive a vehicle on June 23, 2026 in Van Buren Township?
And to make it for the quad here, and did you present a international license at the time that was not considered valid? Just so we don't get confused about, did you have a license on you?
He was driving with the international government. Nobody told him about that consequences.
Okay. All right. So I got to get my question answered. Did you drive a vehicle that day in Van Buren Township?
See, yeah.
Okay. And at that time, did you have an international driver's license?
What he told me, he got it right, but the job because he's driving now, license.
Okay, but
He just needs to know that's what he had.
right.
I can ask that. And had you been in the US for more than 14 days at the time that you've been stopped? That's, so had you been here for more than 2 weeks when he got pulled over?
Okay, it's a good thing. So, no, so.
And we agree that after 14 days, it's no longer valid?
Correct. So that would be the last element to that, which would be an international license. It's only going to be valid for the first 14 days.
Okay. Okay. Do you have a return flight scheduled now?
el avión para regresar ahora mismo, para cuando esa vez, para que no se-
No.
He tried to go back in November because of his way. Because his wife, she couldn't come here, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but that didn't answer my question.
So if you look at this, you already purchased the ticket.
No, no,
Okay, all right. Are you currently employed? Are you working?
no. Yeah, it's for.
Where do you work? Who do you work for?
They say company.
You say something about this a company.
Carro
It's- It's about cars, so working cars.
Mechanic?
Operador.
It's operating inside the. Que opera dentro del.
Sí, tengo 3 años.
Operando
Adentro, sí, claro.
Just operating the car inside of the company.
Okay, and where is that location? Where does he work?
Donde es, lo que es, donde está el lugar es.
La dirección en la Instagram.
Inkster.
Sí, sí.
Anything before I sentence?
No, Your Honor, just again, I guess they'll leave that out, but my client actually was originally a Venezuelan national who
Yeah.
family had to relocate. It's just a very complicated backstory, but the earthquake and a lot of what's going on, a lot of instability, so any
Yeah.
mercy the court could,
Yeah.
show this family would be greatly appreciated.
Well, Venezuela, no think you.
This, we had to leave Venezuela because the government, that's how the family model.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's added to the delays in getting back to home.
That's right.
Okay,
And that's why they're.
okay, all right. Anything you want to tell me before I sentence?
Yeah, lo que tienen que decir acerca de eso.
No,
No.
Okay. On the registration plate, civil infraction, fines and costs, $150.
You say it's fine.
no, bro.
On the no valid operator's license on person, fines and costs, $300, and 4 days on the work program.
You will say that it's not.
Okay.
For pay.
Oh, yeah, probably. Yeah, she's got good point. The language barrier could cause some serious problems.
And I would hate for him, I know my client has no point in absconding, but if all of a sudden something changes.
Yeah.
You guys wouldn't want the file not close.
Let's just do $400 on that one, $150 on the other one.
550 total.
No,
I still give you the 550 stairs. Did you make the payment full today?
Awesome. Thank you for your help, Mr. Cruz.
I explained to him America, how to expect everything that Latin America, you live the country, everything.
Yep. Travel safely.
You don't drive it.
Yeah, but he's going home, so he's got to travel.
Yeah.
Inside the courtroom.